Hello, in front of me I've got Nintendo Switch HORIPAD. In this video I'll show you device preview. In the beginning, let's take a look at the top of the device. As you can see, this controller has classical Nintendo Switch layout with YX buttons, BA, two analog sticks with the same layout as on Joy-Cons, D-pad, plus minus buttons, home and screenshot button. Right here we've got the pairing button and USB-C charging port. Next we've got two bumpers and two triggers. At the bottom we can find serial number of this device and reset hall, thanks to which you can reset the wireless connection protocol. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.